right, guys, another activity you have on your choice board is to go on a nature walk and find 10 things. So my son and I, we went out in the yard, and we live in the woods. So we went through the woods a little bit and we found 10 things. Now, what you need to do now is make a list of the 10 things you found or that you saw, and we're going to put them in alphabetical order. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I just wrote down all the things we found: stick, rock, leaf, a dead bug. Of course, my little boy always finds dead bugs. We saw a bird, and in the bird's mouth was a worm. So we put these two down. Mica, which we've talked about with rocks and minerals. It started raining, so we had to come back in. And we saw a tree, and we saw a lizard right off the porch. So here's 10 things that we saw on our nature walk. Now what we're going to do is we're going to look at these words and we're going to put them in alphabetical order. How you do that is you look at the first letter of each word. We have an S, we have an R, L, D, B, W, M, R, T, L. Now I want you to think about your ABCs. Think about all the way from A to Z. We always start with A and we go then B, then C. So we're going to try and find any words that start with A. Did I underline any A's? No. Now you might see an A, but we're only going to look at the first letters that I underlined. So there's no A's. Is there a B? There's a B. So we write that over here. All right, we've already used that word, so we're going to cross it off. Do you see any C's? Any of these underlined letters? C. Nope. What about D? Oh, there's one. A dead bug. Now, we put this in alphabetical order because it gives us a sense of putting words, looking at the first letter, and putting them in order from A to Z. We don't do this a lot in class. When I was your age, we did this almost every day. I remember putting all my spelling words in alphabetical order. A, B, C, D, E. Any word begin with an E? Nope. F, G, H, I, we don't see any J's, any K's, L. All right, the tricky part is we've got 2, leaf and lizard. So what you do next is you look at the second letter. We have an E and we have an I. Knowing the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E comes before I. So when you get to a word or 2 words that begin with the same letter, L, you look at the second letter. So leaf is going to come first. And then lizard. M, oh, there's one. Do we have another one? Nope. So mica. N, O, P, Q, R. Oh, we've got 2 again. R, O, and R, A. Now we know A is the first letter in the alphabet, so we're going to put rain and then put rock. Q, R, S, stick. T, U, V, W. So this is how you put words in alphabetical order. You look at the first letter and you put them in order as our ABCs, as the alphabet. I want you guys to go on a nature walk outside. You don't have to go in the woods. A lot of you live in the city of Marion, so you can just go around your house and find 10 things. Now, you may not want to bring those 10 things in the house. If you find a dead bug or a lizard, I don't know if Mama would want you to bring it in the house. But you can just make a list of the things that you find. And then after you make your list, you take that list and you put them in alphabetical order. You guys go have fun doing that.